We look forward to sharing our new online order form with you. The new online order form at Bracys.com allows you to search our entire catalog, view seasonal booking forms, or browse plants currently available and place an order. To view our current availability, click the View Plants and Order Online button on the right sidebar of any page in our website. A note to remember, without logging in, you can still browse the current availability without viewing pricing or having the capability to place your order. When you are ready to log in and to view pricing, enter desired quantities, and place orders, simply go to the upper right corner of the current availability page and click Log In. Here's a simple tour of the current availability page and its capabilities if you are not logged in. The top left filter button displays a list of filters that can be applied singly or in combination to limit the list of products displayed. Click on the caret next to the filter name to expand the list of choices within a filter group. Multiple choices may be made. Click the back button to access another filter group. Make choices as appropriate. The Cancel button at the bottom of the main filter list displays a list of the applied filters and allows users to remove them. If you cannot view the Cancel button, use the scroll bar on the right side of your screen to scroll further down. To remove applied filters, you can either click the minus sign or dash next to an individual filter, or click Clear All at the bottom to remove all filters. Click anywhere on the main screen to close the filter menu. The top left Detail button toggles the page view between the basic line item view and the detailed catalog item view that includes a photo, description, and pertinent plant characteristics. In the upper right corner of the screen, you may use the Select Availability Here drop-down box to choose between Booking Form Availability, Current Availability, or Bracy's Catalog. Booking Form Availability will be populated when seasonal bookings are underway. Current Availability lists all products Bracy's deems purchasable at the present time. Logged-in users order any product listed here. Current Availability is the default view. Bracy's Catalog lists all products in Bracy's current production schedule, whether available for sale or not. This is a reference tool only. Please do not attempt to order from the Bracy's Catalog display mode. The Rows per Page drop-down box allows you to set the page view to display 20, 50, or 100 records at a time. In the upper right corner, you will also see a search box. This is a text search box users can use to identify records that include text they enter in the box. For example, entering AZAL limits the displayed list to azaleas. Clear the text to return to the full list. The main body of the page lists all products in the Bracy's Catalog or current availability, sorted by category, description, and size. Basic View displays description, current specifications, flower color, size, and sale if the item is on sale at the time. Clicking the description expands the view of that product to display the catalog view for all items in its product family. Stock photo, not necessarily current, is displayed. In the center are the product name, category, catalog description, item code, and pot size. On the right are botanical name, landscape use, growth rate, foliage type, mature height, mature width, bloom color, bloom time, soil preference, exposure, zones, and the sale item indicator. Not all characteristics will be displayed for all products. At the bottom right, the Next button takes you to the next page of products. In the bottom left, the Previous button takes you to the previous page if you're currently on a page greater than page 1. To log in and view pricing, enter quantities, and order, click the Login button with the check mark in the top right corner of the screen. A small pop-up window will appear and registered users can enter a username and password to log in. If you are already a registered user, once you log in, you will be asked to choose a Ship to customer for the order. Then you can view pricing. We will talk more about this capability in a little while. If you are not yet a registered user, click on New User, click here to sign up. A dialog box will open so you can enter basic information about your company. Please note, all fields are required. Click OK at the bottom. Bracy's will review your application and contact you with your credentials. Logging in allows you to see customer-specific pricing and place orders. Once you have entered your username and password, click Submit and then selected a Ship to customer for the order. Your username, company, and location will be displayed in the middle of the page header. In the main content area of the page, the price and quantity fields will be displayed. If the button at the top left reads Grid, and you see images and additional product details for each plant, you are viewing in detail mode. To return to the list view, click the Grid button. A few notes about pricing. Pricing is specific to customer price level. Items with the sale indicator display sale price. All prices are FOB Bracy's Nursery. Shipping will be calculated on your order acknowledgement. To enter your desired order quantity, enter the number in the quantity box adjacent to item. Use up and down arrows to adjust the quantities. Hit Enter to save and move to the next record. Repeat until all desired items are chosen. When you have finished entering your desired quantities, click the top right Review Order button with the check mark. In the pop-up window, you will be able to schedule order fulfillment and adjust order details as needed. First, choose a ship date using the ship date calendar. These can be scheduled 2 to 10 days out. A note, if you are ordering from the booking form availability, bookings are intended for use more than 10 days out, so you will note your desired ship date in the Order Shipping Notes text entry field. Then, select Delivery or Pickup from the drop-down list. Enter an optional PO number. Include any optional order or shipping notes. For example, for a pickup order, you could put Pick up tomorrow after lunch. Click OK. On the next review order screen, you can review your order prior to the submission. At the top left, the order total will be displayed. Remember, shipping is not included. In the center top, Customer Bill To and Ship To information is displayed. In the main body, you will see a list of ordered items. Quantity per item may be manually changed or adjusted with the up and down arrows in each quantity field. If you are adjusting quantities, the order total will reflect your changes when you click or select the next line. At the top right, the Edit Order button will return you to the current availability to add more items or change existing ones. In the upper right corner, the Submit button will submit the order as is to Bracy's. Once you hit the Submit button, it will ask you to confirm the submission. When the order is saved, a box pops up listing the order number. Order acknowledgement is emailed to your address. The user may either return to the availability or log out. In the upper right, you will see the Cancel Order button. This will cancel the order and allow you to confirm the cancellation. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at bracys.com or call us directly.